Hello YouTube, here at my old school, Excel Academy's old building in Newark. This video is going to go out November 7th. It is 2 something in the morning here in downtown Newark. This is the school I attended when it was Excel. Like I said, here's what the building looks like at night. I'm going to take you around to the back of the building. Over there is where we did football practice here at the school. Like I said, this video will go out November 7th at 12 o'clock in the evening or afternoon. This is where my bus 29 from Southwest Licking local schools used to come in. Like I said, this is the old Excel building in Newark. This is the school I attended, the building wise. This is what used to be the playground here at the school, now owned by Citadel. This is what the back of the school looked like, facing towards where Eagle Wings Academy is. I'm not going in, but I'm just telling you, this is where we used to learn to play basketball. Mr. Jordan and all of them taught us here. So the school looks like at night, after hours. This over here was where the gym was. This is part of the other part of the playground, if you will. You'd never forget about the hum from this generator or those transistors or something. Like I said, this is where the cafeteria was at the school. Like I said, this is where I attended school. This is the old Excel building. Like I said, this video will go live November the 7th at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. This is what the old cafeteria looked like inside. Mess hall. This is where I attended school. For a long time. This is looking south towards Heath. I'm going to point out exactly where I was in class now. And I gotta hold on that and use the restroom. This is the home of what was Excel Academy in Newark, Ohio. Right here's where we met after school, my classmates and I. Let's go over to the place where they used to do sports, and I'm gonna give you a small tour of that, an outdoor tour. This is where SXL Eagles learned how to play football. This is the old football field. Like I said, this is at 116 West Church Street in Newark, Ohio. This is where I played football and learned football. And one last look at the old girl. before I depart. I gotta use the restroom. Should have used the restroom before I left. Like I said, this is 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm at the old Excel building. This video will go live on November the 7th of this year. Drop a like down below and comment if you are an Excel student. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more content. Tower 1 out.